URLs are the veins of the web. Routing, authentication, redirects, analytics, they all depend on dissecting routes. But in JavaScript, parsing a URL usually means writing fragile regex. Let's say you want to match a route like /books and grab the ID. Sounds simple until you actually hit the real world. So let's say we have our URL that is books123, and then we have our route regex that is defined like this. And then when we test it, it breaks. Why? Because we have a trailing slash at the end and we haven't accounted for it. So then when we try to execute it, we get null. So what do? You patch the regex. You make sure that when you have a trailing slash, it works for you as well. And of course, now it works until someone adds something else like a ref query object or a hash, and you're back to rewriting the pattern. It's brittle by design. That's why the URLPattern API exists. First in Chrome 95, now across Firefox and Safari, and marked safe in Bestline in 2025. Instead of endless regex patches, you declare the pattern once and let the browser handle the details. This is how it works. You create a new URLPattern object, you say the path name that you want to have, and then a numeric ID. The slash in size parameters means the trailing slash is optional. Once we test it, you can see that it's true for both options, even if you have a trailing slash or not. Of course, we can do something else. To get it, you just run pattern exec with your URL. It doesn't matter how many refs you have or how many hashtags or whatever is in the URL, and then you just get the ID. Exec gives you the structured result. Here we grab the ID directly from the path name groups. Even with a query and a hash, the match still works. That's the power of the URLPattern API. One clear declaration, readable code, and structural result. No brittle regex, no silent failures. If you're still hand-rolling URL parsing, this is your way out. Stay safe and like and subscribe if you like this content.